Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Theory Guru. Today we are going to learn about Agile in software engineering, one of the most popular and flexible approaches for developing software. Okay. Definition: Agile is a flexible iterative approach to software development. Unlike traditional methods like waterfall, Agile focuses on delivering small working pieces of software frequently, adapting to changing requirements and collaborating closely with customers. See, Agile is a flexible iterative approach to software development where small working pieces of software are delivered frequently. Agile is not a one time process, it works in small steps repeatedly, producing working software often. Unlike traditional methods like waterfall, Agile allows teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements and focus on collaboration with the customer. Meaning, like Agile is different from older methods. It emphasizes flexibility and customer feedback rather than following a strict plan. See, key principles of Agile: individual and interaction over process and tools. People matter more than strict process. See, first is individuals and interaction over processes and tools. People and teamwork matter more than strict rules or software tools. Second is working software over comprehensive documentation. Deliver functional software rather than perfect documents. See, second is working software over comprehensive documentation. Deliver a functional software rather than spending too much time on documents. Then customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Continuous feedback is value more than rigid agreements. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Frequent feedback from the customer is more important than rigid contracts. Okay. Then responding to change over following a plan. Be flexible and adapt to evolving requirements. Then responding to change over following a plan. Be ready to adapt if requirements change during the project. Meaning, like these values explain what Agile prioritizes. Okay. Students learn that Agile focuses on people, working software, collaboration, and flexibility. How Agile works: development happens in small iterations called sprints, usually 1 to 4 weeks long. Each sprint produces a working increment of software. At the end of a sprint, the team reviews the work with stakeholders and adjusts the next sprint accordingly. Agile emphasizes continuous improvement, collaboration, and quick adaptation to changes. See how Agile works. Agile development happens in small iterations called sprints, usually 1 to 4 weeks long. Like work is divided into small chunks called sprints so that software can build step by step. Okay. Each sprint produces a working increment of software that can be tested and reviewed. Means students understand that even after a short sprint, something usable is ready. And at the end of each sprint, the team reviews the work with stakeholders and plans the next sprint based on feedback. Okay, like Agile emphasizes continuous improvement and adapting based on feedback. Popular Agile frameworks: Scrum divide works into sprints with daily stand-ups and roles like product owner and Scrum master. Kanban focuses on visualizing tasks on a board, managing workflow efficiently. Extreme programming practices like pair programming, test driven development, and frequent releases. Okay. First is Scrum, divides works into sprints with defined roles like product owner and scrum master. Then Kanban uses visual boards to manage tasks efficiently. Like students learn that Agile has different ways, frameworks to apply its principles. Then advantages of Agile. Flexibility, easy to adapt to changing requirements. Faster delivery, frequent working increments mean software reaches users quickly. Then improve collaboration, regular communication between team and customer. Then high quality software, continuous testing and feedback reduce errors. See, first is flexibility, easy to adapt to changing requirements. Then faster delivery, frequent releases of working software. Then improve collaboration, constant communication with the team and customer. Then high quality software, continuous testing reduces errors, meaning like this explains why Agile is preferred in modern software development. Okay. Now we can see disadvantages of Agile. Requires experienced teams, less effective with inexperienced developers, less predictability, hard to estimate time and cost accurately upfront. Documentation may be minimal, can be a problem for large complex systems. Frequent changes, constant requirement changes may lead to scope creep. See, disadvantages of Agile. First is require experienced teams. Beginners may find it difficult. Then less predictability. Estimating time and cost is harder upfront. Then minimal documentation can be challenging for very large systems. And last is frequent changes. Constant requirement changes may lead to scope creep, meaning like students should understand both pros and cons to decide when to use Agile. Okay, so conclusion is Agile is ideal for projects where requirements are unclear or likely to change, where customer feedback is essential, and where fast delivery of functional software is priority. It's widely used in modern software development and is a key skill for software engineers. See, in short, Agile is ideal for projects where requirements are unclear or likely to change. Customer feedback is important. Okay, and quick delivery of functional software is needed. See, summarizing, when Agile is the best choice for students to remember. Okay, thank you.